So you just finished your video, everything is lined up. You go and play through, and you're like, oh, I really want to cut out that part and put it in something else. And you don't want to do this and add it back in there, and then try to find out where you left off to do that. You don't have to do that. So let's delete this one real quick. Delete the track. Let's make this one whole again. And then what you're going to do, say this is your one you want to, or wherever you want to do it. So we'll listen to it real quick. So I am happy to say. So I want to cut out, I'm happy to say. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to split the audio, and let's see. So I am happy to say. And then I want to split that out. And then I'm going to go in here and I am going to delete that track. So now if you hear, so as of today, that is gone. So that's how you do that. And then you can go in there and replace it with anything you want to, or put another audio track underneath of it if you want to. Let's go here and let's just put that, and then you can have your audio track underneath of that if you want to, and it'll go through and it'll just turn to audio right there. The other thing you can do is, if you've done audio within Canva, let's go into videos, you will notice you will get one of these bubbles here. So, hi y'all. I know y'all have been seeing these all over the internet. Let me pause that so we can cut the volume off on it for you. So say you got that. So the way I trim those out, if I need to, is I go and I split the page with those. I'll split the page where I need to cut out whatever part I need to out of the same. I'll split it back when it needs to come in. And then what I'll do with that is I'll go back into the part where I split. And then I will go and I will just delete this. So that's the other way. If you made your voiceover within Canva, you know you get this little bubble if you don't use your camera. So, and that's the way you can do it within Canva's little voiceover thing. And that's how you do this little trick. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments. I love you guys. I will see you on the next one.